Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. After you wake up the screen, press the middle button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called sound, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have a couple types of volume. We have the media volume, alarm volume, and ring volume. First, let's tap on the media volume, and here we can adjust the volume for the media. Once you're done, you can swipe right, tap on alarm volume and adjust the volume for the alarms. And finally, you can adjust this volume for the ringtone. And once you're done, you can press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.